in the previous video that will be dealing with basics as at now. So today we've move forward a bit, and we need also to discuss about these are also basic theorems that we need to understand in collaboration with the formulas. So here we are talking about Kirchhoff's law. So there's what we call Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. So in this case, we are going to begin with the Kirchhoff's current law. This states to say the sum of currents entering a junction equals the sum of current that leaving the junction. So the formula that we use when calculating or coming up with the way of finding out the current that is entering, also that is leaving, this is the current that you need to understand, and also this is the formula that you need to understand. Talking about sum of current that is in is equal to the sum of current that is going out. So abbreviation of I just simply means current. Then we talk of Kirchhoff's voltage law. We are now talking about the sum of voltage around the closed loop is equal to 0. We will know this as we are proceeding. So the abbreviation of V, we are talking about voltage. We should also know about RMS, abbreviated to say the root mean square. So which simply means when we're talking about the root mean square, we're talking about the value of a sinusoidal voltage. So this is a formula down here, which is V max is equal to V peak over root mean square. Get this, we're going to understand as we are moving forward. So abbreviation VRMS, we're talking just of RMS voltage, V peak, we're talking about peak voltage. So you get to know all these things as we are proceeding. We need also to understand about transformer turns ratio. So here we are talking about the relationship between primary and secondary voltage and also turns. So this is a formula, which is V primary or voltage primary over voltage secondary is equal to turns primary over turns secondary. We'll be able to get these things as we are moving. The other thing that we need also to understand is where transformer power is concerned. So when we talk of transformer power, we are talking about power in a primary equals power also in a secondary when we talk of in ideal case. So we are going to know this. So know this formula, then all is well. Abbreviations V voltage, I current. When we talk of also about electric field, get this.